Makiaria mari kaunti-ini ya Meru thutha wa igongona ria hamwe athikabu acio a kanitha wa Methodist marorota muthikabu munene Isaiah Ndeye makiuga utongoria wake ni wa githuri.
If he did not qualify in the first 6 months, I fired and hired another one. So this business of you wanting to say we are Methodists, we are Christians, twende pole pole. You cannot go pole pole when you are killing a big church like this.
Then there is also obstruction of transition and the manipulation of the processes. That's have been spoken earlier. Meona vile anaunda committees zingine hata zieleweki na kufanya mambo ambayo we are not anchored in our standing orders.
Oho makiuga Ndeye ni aremetwo ni kwaga kugitira na kuramata utonga wa kanitha na oho akaga guthingatithia gatiba ya kanitha uyu.
Stewardship of the church properties. This has been mentioned and a few of us have discussed it. I've put it in the limelight that there is a failure to safeguard critical church properties in Gitanga, Kitanga Road, Kirimani, and other properties. Also, under that, number one, we have unauthorized individuals who have been transacting.
Ningi Ndeye no akuithitio murigo wa kwaga utheri mathabu-ini ma kanitha kuria agumirwo ni ciuria cia kwaga kuriha magoti ma makiria ma ciringi milioni 40 kuri ruhonge rwa KRA ona kwaga kuriha aruti a wira na atungatiri kanitha-ini uyu.
Today as we talk, the bishops wenye muliona wamesimama hapa were lastly paid December last year.
Financial mismanagement. As the Bishop of Daraka said earlier, he is an accountant. I'm one also. And for the time we have been in the conference office for the last 2 years, when you go for the meeting, we have never received any financial report.
Riu athikabu aya marauga ni mehaririirie kuruturura Ndeye ofisi-ini makiuga ona ni akinyitie miaka ya retire.
Overstaying in the office beyond retirement age. Our current bishop, we've continued to stay in the office over 60 years. That will be against our standing orders.
Girifo Tera Inoro TV, Geto wa Garimaria wa Muigana.